And the second question, that's from the subscribers of Dre Anywhere the Sports in Palm Beach and Sports Prophecy TV in Denmark, who I'm a local correspondent for. The question really is about heritage players. The Achilles heel for Jamaica has been our CDM, Central Defensive Midfield, in the past couple of years, just our unprofessional assessment. And the questions that have come in have surrounded really two heritage players who you may or may not. And the question is what relationship you have with these players and how confident you are that you are able to attract them and bring them over the line. The first being Mason Greenwood from Manchester United, not a CDM, but Isaac Hayden, who joined Newcastle in your last year there in 2016. What are your relationship with these two players, and are you confident you can bring them over the line?
Yeah, I know the players. I know the players very well. It's strange because I met Mason in Manchester United training ground about 3 weeks ago before the announcement was made. So I had to be very careful what to say to him. But we had a little conversation. We've had a conversation since. And what I want to do is to go, like I'm going to do with everybody when I get back, is to go meet them, is to have a conversation with them and find out the reality of the situation and whether they actually want to come all the way here to play for Jamaica. Again, it's the commitment of the players. So there are two players who should be of interest to us. They're very good players. And I will be making sure that I have a conversation with all the players. The President, Mr. Speed, Mr. Chung have shown me a list of potential targets, potential lists. I know them all very well. I know their agents well. And believe you me, when I get home, I'll be busy on the phone.